Now, this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to select layers. So if you can't find layers in Photoshop, first make sure you actually reset. But for me here I have the layers, and if you can't find layers you can go to Window and click on layers, and you can enable this tab, or you can also click on here workspace and then reset essentials. Here I have a thumbnail for my YouTube channel, and if you want to select the layers, you can obviously just click on the layer, but to select multiple layers, you can hold control and then click on the layers you like to select. You can even select groups, and then you can click on this icon right over here if you want to create a group with these layers we have here. So now when I click on here, we can actually create a group. So here, create a new group, or you can go with, let's say, select these layers, Control plus J, and now I have a new group with other things here. But just so you know, if you want to select all the layers here, if you hold, you select the star of the layers you want to select, and all the layers, you just hold now Shift, and you will select all the layers here with Shift. So Shift and Control. And as I said, you can also, once you select the layers, you can create then a group. And this is really important if you want to be organized while you're working on your project. So yeah, that's kind of the process. Now you can also close this. You can close this layer, or close tab group, or you can also move it here. So you have everything organized, and now it's here, which this occupies too much space, so I'm gonna move it here. All right, and now here we have the layers. And if you want to change the layer, the aspect, the interface, we can go here and select the color theme. So I really hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, more questions about Photoshop, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and take care.